Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare BlockFi and Celsius. BlockFi and Celsius are popular platform that offers crypto lending and earning services. BlockFi is a popular cryptocurrency platform that offers a range of financial services including interest earning accounts, loans, and credit cards. It also offers the BlockFi Rewards via signature credit card, which allows users to earn cryptocurrency reward on every purchase. However, BlockFi has faced some challenges, particularly around regulatory scrutiny and security concern. Celsius is a cryptocurrency platform that offers users the ability to earn interest on their crypto holdings and borrow against their crypto assets. The platform also allows users to earn rewards in the form of the platform's native CEL token. Despite this, Celsius has regained some trust by emphasizing transparency and regulatory compliance. In my opinion, Celsius offers higher rates, while BlockFi offers a more product. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.